it and installs it. It might not be the maintenance people itself. So that's quite an interesting one. That would be mandatory or core, because I don't know how everybody could cover that one.
Okay. Just making some notes while we'll look at that,
Okay.
whether they core or not. Yeah, I mean, there are a couple of areas, I think, other areas where you might consider, well, is it genuine core that everybody should look at, or perhaps it's something which is a bit more specialist. One of the areas that's come up consistently is electrical. That lots of programs insist on apprentices being qualified in electrical, when perhaps the skills really needed is the ability to identify if there's a fault in an electrical system, to then call electrical expertise in to support that. So that's another area which might be considered to be more optional than core. But
or it might just be electrical knowledge to disconnect something rather than.
Yes. Yeah. So you identify that it's an electrical thing, and then get electrical expert in to take over and hand over the job. Yeah, absolutely. I also made a note of that, something then to come back to and consider the installation, takedown, and storage bit. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone got any other reactions to the diagram? What's missing or what's?
It's James here from Trojan. Could I just take us back a step or two? I may have missed something because I know that you've been talking with Chris, but I was just wondering what the overall objectives are that we're actually trying to do, because obviously we've got. I think we're too detailed, by the way, here. I think there's some of these things that need to go out and talk to our employers, because one or two of our employers and some of the other trailblazers have shown some concern about, or concern's the wrong word, have shown interest in what's happening into the maintenance engineer area for process. So it's a valuable area to be talking about. Whether we can actually talk today about something as detailed as installation, takedown and storage, in other words, some of the specifics about what should be included in core.